In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a parallax intro in Canva for your YouTube videos. This is a fantastic way to make your channel stand out with dynamic and engaging content. So whether you're new to Canva or looking to add a new trick to your design toolkit, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open Canva on your computer. Canva is a wonderfully user-friendly graphic design tool that you can access via any web browser. Once you're on the platform, it's time to get creative. Start by clicking on Create a Design at the upper right corner. For this project, you want to select YouTube video to ensure you have the correct dimensions for your video intro. With your canvas ready, click on Elements located on the left-hand side. In the search bar, type in mountains. To find a good backdrop for your intro, you can choose an illustration or photo that resonates well with your channel's theme. The key is to pick something visually appealing as your background. Next, go back to Elements, and this time, head to the Shapes section to find a square. Click on it to add to your canvas, and then adjust its size so it covers the entire image. This square acts like a filter over your selected image, adding depth to your design. Change the color of this square as needed. A pro tip is to select a semi-transparent shade that aligns with your overall branding for a cohesive look. Once you have your image and filter set, it's time to add some text. Simply press T on your keyboard to generate a text box. This is where you can type in an inspiring quote or perhaps your channel's tagline. Look for fonts that are bold and clear to ensure readability, and place the text somewhere central or eye-catching depending on your design choice. Now, take that text box and drag it downward until it disappears below the frame. This is preparing for the parallax effect, creating a sense of motion and anticipation. With your first frame in place, it's time to make a second by duplicating the page. On this new page, select your mountain image and nudge it slightly upwards to create a subtle shift in movement. Do the same with your elements, ensuring the design maintains harmony as it transitions from one page to the next. To add the parallax effect, look for the transition option at the top bar and select Match and Move. This will make your elements smoothly transition in a way that mimics depth and motion as the video plays. Once you're satisfied with your intro, the final step is to click Share in the top right and select Download. Choose the MP4 format, which is optimal for video, and then wait a few moments for your design to render. And there you have it, a stunning parallax intro ready to captivate your YouTube audience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more creative tips and tutorials.